Welcome to section 3 of motivation for peak performance. Factors that affect in extrinsic motivation. Routine task needs to be performed by simple rules. The path to achieving is clear and simple. A clear-cut objective is also set. These are examples of things that affect extrinsic motivation. Simplified and possibly automated process helps in the extrinsic motivation of our people. Routinary tasks and highly manual tasks can be very, very burdensome after a while. Complicated or unclear processes can also kill motivation because people get confused. That's why the best companies in the world spend a lot of time and a lot of resource re engineering or simplifying their process. They're not doing this just for the sake of the process, but they're also doing it for the sake of the people who are part of the process. People are also motivated better if they know what's at the end of the road. Traveling aimlessly can get to be so tiring. Having no destination or goal will make the employee question, what am I doing? Have a clear set of goals, clearly defined for everyone. Extrinsic motivation activities were designed during the industrial age. Extrinsic motivation does not work very well with jobs that require knowledge and jobs that require creativity. Extrinsic motivation does not work with what we call nowadays as knowledge workers. Personally, what extrinsic motivation does not work well with you?